Today I'm gonna go do a coconut boat tour.
Yeah!
Here's my coconut boat tour guide for the day.
Yeah!
What's your name?
Vu.
Who?
Okay.
I'm Chaz.
Sir?
Nice to meet you. Chaz.
Chia.
Chaz, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're out here noon on a Saturday, and there's nobody. We have the whole place to ourselves. I don't know why, but we do. It's great.
Yeah.
Private tour.
Okay, yeah!
Oh, man.
It's
kind of like a ride at the fair.
Okay.
Oh, man. You're crazy. This guy's crazy.
But don't worry, if you don't want to spin around, they can give you a nice leisurely cruise down the river.
It's very peaceful out here. A lot of the stuff on Instagram and TikTok shows so many boats, so it's cool that I got the whole river to myself today.
I think these are the only other tourists we saw. And lots of ducks.
Just floating down a river in Vietnam. So he claims that there's no snakes and no alligators, nothing that can kill you out here, but maybe he didn't understand what I was saying. Or he's lying, you never know.
Before I left, he said he was going to spin me one last time.
It's way faster than you'd imagine.
Yeah!
Glad I'm not walking, I'd fall over. Thank you.
To watch the full episode of Dirt Cheap with Chaz Bruns, click the link below.